Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'll be showing you how to draw the Bears quarterback, Caleb Williams. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now, start off with Caleb Williams, quarterback for the Chicago Bears. Let's begin with the head. So I'm going to start right here, and let's begin by making a curve line for the top of the head. Next, we're going to go down and then curve this up to here. Starting here, let's make a half circle on each side for the ears. Next, let's go ahead and make a circle for one eye. Then we're going to make another circle for the other eye. Then let's go ahead and color in a pupil inside each one. Let's make a little eyebrow shape that we color in, and we'll do another one here. Then we'll do a little curve shape for the nose. Starting here, we're going to make a line across for the mouth. Then another line is going to go down and up. We'll do a little curve for the tongue, and then a line across for the teeth, and we can just color this part in for the mouth. Next, starting here, let's go ahead and make like a bumpy line that's going to come down on each side. Then we're going to bring this up, and then over, and then down here. Then we're going to come down and then up here. Next, starting here, let's make a little curve on each side. And then another curve across for his headband. Next, for his hair, let's go ahead and make some taller, kind of pointier bumps right across here. Next, let's draw a line that's going to come down and up for the neck. Then let's make a line that's going to curve up and down on each side for the shoulder pads. Let's come in on each side. Then we're going to go down, over, and then up. Next, starting here, let's make a line that's going to go out and then down. Same thing here, out and then down. We'll make a little curve at the bottom. Then we're going to come up and in, up and in. We'll draw a little line across. Next, let's draw a little line that curves around here for the foot, and then another one right around here for the foot. We'll make a line across on each one, and then we'll go ahead and put some bumps on the bottom of each one. Next, we'll draw a line across on each one, and we'll do a couple more little lines on each one. Next, starting here, let's make his arms. So we're going to make a line that comes out, and then we're going to come up. We're going to make a little bump here for the thumb. Then for the football, we're going to come up. We're going to bring it down and then back around to here. Let's make a little bump. Then we're just going to come down and then back up here. And we're going to make a little line across here. For the football, let's make two lines here and then two lines here for the stripes. Then over here, let's make a line that's going to go down and then out. We'll make a little bump here. And then we'll make 1, 2, 3, and then 4 bumps here for his fingers. Then we're going to come over and then up. And a little line down here for his sleeves. Now for some detail on the jersey, let's draw a little line that goes down and up here in like a V shape. We'll make a little line here and then another one here. Same thing, little line down and then another little line in here. Then we're going to put 18 on him. So we're just going to make a long skinny rectangle shape. And then we're going to make a curved shape for the top of the 8 and a bigger oval shape for the bottom. Then let's go ahead and put 2 circle shapes in here. And there you go. There is your drawing of Caleb Williams, quarterback for the Chicago Bears. If you want to see any more NFL players, definitely let me know in the comments and I'd be happy to try and draw them. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.